Hey guys, welcome back to another lesson in my beginner piano course level 1. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. In this lesson, we're going to learn about rests. In music, sometimes we have moments of silence, and just like notes, we have to measure or count these moments of silence so we know how long to be silent for. For every single note value that we have learned so far, there is an equivalent rest value or rest symbol. And that's what we're going to learn about today, how to count them and how to recognize them. If you look at this chart now, you'll see that the first rest is going to be the semi-breve or whole note rest, which is like a little rectangle and it's hanging off the fourth line. The half note or minim rest looks exactly the same, but it's sitting on the third line. So the semi-breve is hanging off, the half note is sitting. The dotted half note or dotted minim is going to be again a rectangle sitting on the third line, but with a little dot on the right side. And the one that we're going to use most often is the crotchet or quarter note rest, which looks like a very twisted little 3. So these are the 4 symbols that we're going to use for rests. And one thing you need to know about rest is that if you have an empty bar or measure, it doesn't matter how many beats there are in that measure, but if the entire bar is empty, then you can always use the semi-breve or whole note rest, which is the rectangle hanging off the fourth line. So it doesn't matter if it's going to be 3 beats, 2 beats, 4 beats, or 9 beats. If it's a completely silent bar, we're just going to use the semi-breve or whole note rest. If you enjoy this lesson, make sure to check out the premium version of this course, which is going to include a free method book, lots of filmed video tutorials for sight reading exercises, technical exercises, performance pieces, and best of all, you're going to get personal feedback from me to make sure your progress is as smooth and efficient as it can get.